Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest news and tech videos. Hey everyone, and it's time to compare the Y9 2018 with the Y9 2019. This is a speed test comparison. We'll be testing out the boot up, the biometrics, and testing some apps as well. But before we start, let's look at both of these phones. From the back, you can see there's a significant difference. Over here, you're getting two vertical cameras with AI functionality. On the last year's model, you only had two cameras, normal cameras. The fingerprint placement is on the same place, and the back on the Y9 2019 version looks much better. On the front side, you can see the 18 model had bezels and on top and bottom, whereas on the 2019 version you're getting a notch. So without waiting, let's start up both of these phones together in 3, 2, 1. So in my opinion, the 2019 version will take the lead because this has the latest Kirin 710 processor. More or less the specs are the same, 4GB RAM on the both, 64 gigs over here. So let's see which one takes the lead first. And as expected, the 2019 version has booted up, whereas it took some time to start the 2018 version. First, we'll be testing out the biometrics of both of these phones. The fingerprint reader first in 3, 2, 1. Faster on the 19 version, we'll do that again in 3, 2, 1. So faster on the 2019 version. It's now time to check out the facial unlock feature of both of these phones in 3, 2, 1. So faster on the 19 version, the 2018 was a bit slower. We'll do that again. About the same. So in my opinion, the 2019 version is still faster. So it's time to open some apps first, and we'll start off with the phone dialer. Faster on the 19 version, we'll open contacts. Faster on the 19 version, we'll open Google Chrome. So faster on the 19 version, and we'll open Instagram on both of these phones. Faster on the 19 version, we'll open Subway Surfers, some gaming experience. Faster on the 2019 version. The 2018 version hasn't loaded yet. Now it started. So there is some the processor, this Kirin 710 processor is really great, and we'll test out Twitter. Faster on the 19 version, we'll open Pinout. So I can go all day with this, but the 2019 is taking the lead in every way possible. We'll just skip out few things. We'll go to Smash It. So again, you can see it's faster on the 19 version. The loading and the processing time is much better with the Kirin 710 processor. The changes within the processor, the Kirin 710 processor is really fast, really good, and it's worth the price. No wonder Huawei released this phone a bit earlier, because this phone in my opinion is slow, and the 2019 is really great. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon. I will be back with more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.